Have you noticed how automated manufacturing is changing everything around us? In China, industries are being transformed with robotics, AI, and smarter factories, redefining efficiency and innovation. From steel production to cutting-edge humanoid robots, the possibilities are endless. Join me as we uncover these exciting automated manufacturing processes. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates.
China, responsible for over half of global steel production, is pushing the boundaries of automated manufacturing to stay competitive. The steel industry is undergoing a revolution, with digitalization and decarbonization leading the way. Automated manufacturing processes have become integral to mass production, improving quality and efficiency while reducing waste. Robotics and AI systems are now replacing manual labor in several stages of production, ensuring faster and safer processes. China Steel Company is at the forefront of this change, implementing China industrial automation to streamline operations. By adopting smart manufacturing technologies, China steel production has become more sustainable and cost-effective. This shift is not just about innovation, it's a clear strategy to maintain leadership in the global steel market. In Guangdong Province, a former family-run apparel business has become a trailblazer in China industrial automation with its transformation into a 5G-enabled smart factory. Led by second-generation entrepreneur Wu Weijian, this factory utilizes automated manufacturing processes to modernize production. By integrating robotics and smart systems, the business now delivers globally competitive products. With robotics in Chinese factories, local brands are expanding overseas through cutting-edge technology and innovative strategies. The Kaoshon apparel sector is now a global player, proving that smart manufacturing technologies China are paving new paths to success. China's automotive industry is revolutionizing production with automated manufacturing powered by AI, big data, and advanced robotics. This transformation spans design, assembly, and quality control. Using automated manufacturing processes, automakers enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and offer unparalleled customization. The integration of robotics in Chinese factories ensures precision, while smart manufacturing technologies China push the boundaries of innovation. These advancements place China as a frontrunner in global auto manufacturing, setting benchmarks for intelligent production. China is taking massive strides in automated manufacturing by producing humanoid robots in large quantities. These robots are designed for various roles, such as interactive communication, heavy-duty tasks, data collection, and scientific research. Nearly 1,000 units are expected to be produced, marking a significant achievement in robotic technology. The country's factories, driven by robotics in Chinese factories, rely on advanced automation systems to produce high-quality robots efficiently. These innovations are powered by smart manufacturing technologies China, making the production process both faster and more cost-effective. With support from Shanghai's industrial policies, China's humanoid robot industry is growing rapidly, positioning the country as a leader in the global robotics market. The future of automated manufacturing is already here. Founded in 2000, Sciocen Robot and Automation Company has become a leader in automated manufacturing, specializing in robotics and automation technologies. The company's cutting-edge products are sold to over 40 countries, supporting industrial modernization worldwide. With a dedicated R&D team of over 4,000, Sciocen is constantly innovating, focusing on high-tech needs and core technologies to drive independent development. By pushing the boundaries of robotics in Chinese factories, Sciocen is playing a pivotal role in the region's economic revival, spurring growth, and creating high-quality jobs. Their contributions extend beyond manufacturing, influencing sectors like healthcare, energy, and logistics. The company's expansion of automation capabilities is also helping improve operational efficiency and reduce costs. With an eye on future technologies, Sciocen continues to lead the way in shaping the future of smart manufacturing. Shanghai is fast-tracking its automation strategy, with plans to establish 200 new smart factories by 2025. These facilities rely heavily on automated manufacturing processes to increase productivity and lower costs. The city's industries now boast a robot density of 383 units per 10,000 workers, showcasing the rapid adoption of smart manufacturing technologies China. As Shanghai continues its automation drive, it strengthens its role as a leader in China industrial automation. Polishing, a traditionally hazardous and tedious task, is now reimagined with automated manufacturing. China's use of polishing robots exemplifies smart manufacturing technologies China in action. These robots not only improve safety but also enhance precision and efficiency, proving the impact of China industrial automation in transforming high-risk jobs into optimized processes. This shift to automation is revolutionizing the industry, reducing human error, and ensuring consistently high-quality results. In Tianjin, the Boizhong 29-6 oilfield project has unveiled China's first fully digitalized marine oil and gas equipment factory. Using AI, IoT, and automated manufacturing processes, this facility minimizes environmental impacts while boosting production efficiency. As a prime example of smart manufacturing technologies China, this project underscores the nation's commitment to sustainable industrial innovation. The integration of automated manufacturing also enhances the precision of equipment, ensuring reliability in challenging marine environments. China's battery factories are adopting advanced robotics for assembly lines, leading to groundbreaking improvements in efficiency and energy savings. These automated manufacturing processes enable machines to perform intricate tasks like data analysis and human collaboration. The integration of robotics in Chinese factories marks a transformative phase in the global battery industry.